another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. It's time for some Sriracha. This is my last review of the week. Beef flavored Sriracha Ramen Noodle soup, ladies and gents. So how you doing today? All we do is, oh, that's interesting. There we go. We take the lid off. Inside we find literally all we do. Yeah, you gotta check out this band called Space. They do a couple tunes. They do like Magic Fly and Baby Blue, and totally sounds like their kind of action. They're from Russia. No, wait, the guy's French. That's right. It's like 80s synth-wavy stuff. But it had a lot of sound like this. So this goes for 5 minutes. Oh, that smells interestingly ding, ding, ding. A little dingy. Well, I don't know what happened there. Hopefully it'll be seamless, but yeah. Anyways, this is the 16th review of the week. Gonna work a little overtime for you, the viewer. I don't know. I don't consider it work. I consider it my gift to you, my people. Anyways, this is the daily thing I do. This is the quotes from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks. Quotes from the guy who invented the instant noodle. Number 286. Don't worry, if I go, the rain will let up. Referring to his purported penchant for bringing sunny weather wherever he went. Yeah, that's pretty rad. So in 2020, I felt that I had that penchant myself, and I was gonna have my birthday party up in my hometown of Anacortes, and a bunch of people met me out at the beach. My sister was like, it's really cold, I can't even stand out here, it's so cold. I'm like, whatever, it's not that cold. I get there, it's like 29 degrees, but then it's like blowing and it's clear, so it was like impossible. Just like, no. And it's right on the water. So, well, I brought the sunny weather. The weather was just cold. So, this thing is so weird. Do you have a GoPro? If you do, comment below if there's anything that you've had to deal with it and figure it out. Because this is a GoPro 7 Black. I got it as a gift from one of the reader, viewer people. Thank you so much. But man, this thing is like so weird. Like, it just quit out of the blue. I mean, and it gets really hot, and it's really hot right now. But what I've been doing is completely shutting it off, shutting off the Wi-Fi, everything between videos. It's like I want a 4K camera that doesn't require all this babysitting. I like doing the 4K thing. I think it's rad. If this phone here, my S20 Ultra, it does 8K in 24 frames per second, but I have nothing that'll edit in that, and I don't think I know or imagine there's really any target audience that has an 8K TV set at this point, so what's the point of that? But I'm 8K ready at the old 23.97 FPS, should I want to go that route. Honestly, what I've been having fun with this GoPro is it'll do standard HD, wait, is that UHD? I can't remember. It'll do 1920 by 1080 at up to 240 frames per second. And you won't be able to really tell that so much with the naked eye, but you will if you take that video and slow it way down. It'll be nice and smooth. So I've done that. You might have seen that on an intro or an outro recently. But it's cool. I really like that. That's fun stuff. And yeah. So there's that. And I finally used the other thing the fella gave me, which was a DJI Osmo. It's a little handheld camera with a gimbal on it. And I used the tracking feature to track a little thing in an intro that I did recently too. So that was fun. I just gotta wrap my head around what that camera is for. And I think that was part of the reason he gave it to me too, because neither of us really understood what that thing exactly is for. Beep. It's beeping, ladies and gentlemen. Beep, beep, beep. Ooh, that's hot. That's very, very hot. I think I might just have to get a different Bluetooth speaker. This is getting ridiculous. I'm wondering if I can just use one of my old Anchor speakers. That would work fine. Take up less space. Alright. Yeah, the connection with the camera is toast. Let's see if maybe we can get that back and I can see. Ah, that beeping! The beeping! Oh, the beeping. Yeah, I've got this brick, which works great, but it only charges it while it's on. There. There we go. Now we can see. This one's interesting. It doesn't seem to be as much liquid as the other one. Other two, rather. So, Sriracha flavor ramen noodle soup. I think people will like these, and I think people will see them more often pretty quick, too. Pretty good. Broth. This just came out of the microwave, so. That one I'm just gonna have to give a so-so to. I gotta say my favorite of the trifecta. Actually, if I ranked them, I would go chicken, original, and then beef. Bowl. Bowly, 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 bowl. With a bowl. I don't have any beef. My daughter's in the living room, constantly making noise. That's all she ever does. She makes lots of chirping noise. What can I feed her to make her stop making all that noise other than poison? Which I'm not gonna do, 'cause despite the noise, I'm still a big fan. Yeah, no poisoning the kids. That's something we generally avoid in this house. Luckily, they do too. I don't think if I handed my kids a Tide Pod, there's no way they would be like, ooh, yummy. No way in hell. I'm sorry. If your kid, I think there are bigger problems if your kid sees a Tide Pod and goes, ooh, yummy, I want to eat that. And if your kid does though, and has, that's not good. How do you recover from that? I don't know. Even Miles is telling her to shut up. He's all shh. It's funny. There's certain words and phrases you don't use around kids because they'll start using them. Shut up's one of them. Alright, Potato, do your thing. Well, that's that for this week, folks. I'm like, holy cow. 5 days. $16 reviews. So, yeah. All I got to say. This was review number 3,925. So 75 to go to the big 4K, and then I've just got 1,000 more to do. That'll take forever, but we'll see. Anyways, I hope you guys have a good weekend, whatever you do. Watch out for things to watch out for. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one.